Craving for desserts, but at the same time you also want something quick and easy to make. You in for a treat. Today I want to show you how to make Vietnamese chè Thai, also known as Thai Sweet Gruel. Let's start with a list of ingredients you need. Before we start, I would appreciate if you click that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get our dessert on the way. As you may already know, the key ingredient of chè Thai is durian, which is my absolute favorite fruit. However, my boyfriend can't eat durian, so I'm going to prepare 2 servings, one without durian for him and one with lots and lots of durian for myself. And here's how I'm going to assemble it. We'll start with the jelly on the bottom. Next up is this layer of this palm seed and jackfruit. Then we have longan,
some ice, and finally topped with coconut milk syrup. Now we're moving on to the second serving with durian. The only difference here is that I'm using durian to mix with the coconut milk syrup and use that mixture to top the glass at the end. I also sprinkle some roasted peanuts on top because I like it crunchy. And this is how our chè Thai looks like.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my favorite dessert. What is yours? Let me know in the comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!